In this problem, we have the base of a triangle is 86 and the height of the triangle is 16, and we need to know the length of one of those diagonals, x. So one of the things that is expected that students know from high school geometry is the Pythagorean theorem. So if we have a right triangle, and in this case we do, if we're thinking of from the height, if we break that larger triangle into, just looking at it, that smaller one, there is a right angle right in here. Okay, so if you have a right angle and you've got three sides, the diagonal is called the hypotenuse. If you take the square and add it to the square of the other leg, so the sum of the squares is equal to the square of the hypotenuse or the diagonal. So that's the Pythagorean theorem. All right, and this is actually just the roof of a structure. So that upper beam there, we're looking, that is right, cutting that right in half. Okay, so if we took 86 and split it in half, that length right here for the blue triangle, the base of the blue triangle is 43, and then we can use the Pythagorean theorem. We have the sum of the square of the shorter legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. And 16 squared plus 43 squared is 2,105. And then I can take the square root of both sides. And so I get x is approximately equal to 45.9.